Good morning to all of you. How are you? Students, today we shall discuss meter bridge. This question is very important. Now question is, what is meter bridge? Draw the circuit diagram of meter bridge. How we calculate the unknown resistance with the help of meter bridge? This is a very important question. Meter bridge is the simplest application of Wheatstone bridge, which is determined to unknown resistance accurately, is called meter bridge. Now question is, what is the principle of meter bridge? It is based on the principle of Wheatstone bridge. P upon Q equal to R upon X or S, as you like it. In Wheatstone bridge there are 4 resistance, so these 4 resistance are connected in a quadrilateral circuit. So in previous lecture we have discussed P upon Q is equal to R by X. This is the principle of meter bridge. Now question is, draw the circuit diagram of meter bridge. Draw the circuit diagram of meter bridge. This is a meter bridge. And meter bridge means this is the circuit diagram of meter bridge. This is a point A, this is a point C. This is a gap connected RB. RB means resistance box. This is unknown resistance X. This is a terminal, suppose D. This terminal is connected a galvanometer through jockey and a battery, and key is connected across A and C. This is the circuit diagram. These are the two L-shaped strip. Now question is, we have to calculate unknown resistance X. This is a meter scale. This distance L or resistance P. This is resistance Q, AC or AJ, L, or remaining 100 minus L. Now it consists of 1 meter long magnesium wire having uniform cross section area, along with a 1 meter scale wire fitted over a wooden board. This is a wooden board. There are 2 L-shaped thick copper strip fitted point A and point C. Between these strip, another copper strip is also fitted. This copper strip provides 2 gaps. One gap is connected resistance box, another gap is connected unknown resistance X. A galvanometer and a jockey connected across the terminal B and D. This is the circuit diagram of meter bridge. Now we have to calculate unknown resistance. After taking out a suitable resistance from the resistance box, this is the resistance box. So taken out suitable resistance from resistance box, jockey is moved. This is a jockey. Jockey is moved along the wire AB till galvanometer does not give any deflection. It means galvanometer has no deflection, no current flow through this section. Then bridge is balanced. In this case, bridge is balanced means P upon Q is equal to R by X. This is the formula. Now AJ, this is the length of wire denoted L and resistance denoted P. Remaining resistance AJ and BJ, that is 100 minus L. 100 minus L. And denoted resistance Q So according to factors, resistance depend length of wire. So R proportional to L, that means P proportional to L, and Q proportional to 100 minus L. यानी P proportional to L and Q proportional to 100 minus L. So P proportional to L or P equal to KL, K resistance per unit length, and Q proportional to 100 minus L. So Q equal to K 100 minus L. This is suppose first equation, this is second equation. So dividing first by second, that is P upon Q is equal to L upon 100 minus L. This equation compare P upon Q is equal to R by X. This equation, suppose this is the equation number 3rd or this is the 4th. So compare these equation. So R by X equal to L upon 100 minus L. So what is X? X is the unknown resistance which we determine. So X is equal to 100 minus L upon L into R. This is the formula of unknown resistance we have to calculate. Now, suppose we have to calculate resistivity of wire. Determine the resistivity of wire. If R be the radius of wire and length L dash, the length of wire, then resistivity, what is the formula of resistivity? R is equal to rho L upon A. This is the general form. So rho equal to R A upon L dash. What is R? R means unknown resistance. This is X because this is the unknown resistance. So equal to X. A means pi R square upon L dash. We have easily calculated unknown resistivity or unknown resistance with the help of meter bridge. Now suppose some practical application, or you can say the numerical of the, this is very important numerical. Suppose this is resistance 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 5 ohm, 2 ohm, 4 ohm, A and B. Suppose this is the connected 6 volt. Calculate current. Calculate current. Now in this case, this is 1 ohm resistance, 2 ohm resistance, 5 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm. We have to calculate current. Now in this case, first we draw this type circuit. One ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 4 ohm, or this is 5 ohm. No current flow through this section. No current flow through this section. That means so what is total resistance? Suppose this is A, this is connected in series, that is 1 plus 2, connected in series, that is 2 plus 4. No current flow through this section, so all are connected in parallel. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6, take 6 LCM, 2 plus 1, 3 by 6, the value of R is 2. This is resistance or this is the voltage. We have to calculate I, V by R, that is 6 upon 2, that is 3 ampere. This is the formula of current using Wheatstone bridge. Okay, thank you very much.